Well, hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mattie and I'm back with another video. So today's video is a little bit different from all of my beauty, hair, and fashion videos. This here is going to be a fall decor on a budget. Very affordable items. So to keep from rambling, let's jump right into the video. So to keep things on a budget, I kind of went around to different stores looking for different decor items that I was looking for, and I wanted to get it on a very affordable price on a budget. Now I'm gonna say my budget was probably like $50. I could probably go to $60, but between $50 and $60 budget. So for the first item, which everyone needs during the fall to bring in all of that fall aroma in the house, is a fall candle. This candle that I purchased is from my local Dollar General store, and I purchased it for $5. And the name of the candle is Perfect Harvest. It's cranberry, apple strudel, pumpkin nutmeg, maple cream cookies. Maple cream cookies. And y'all, this scent is amazing, guys. I love to smell fall candles. My husband, he don't care much for the scents of the fall candles, but I do. I love it. I love it. He picked up another candle, y'all. He wanted something fruity smell. Just something that wasn't fall smelling. He picked up one for himself for the other part of the house. But I had to get this. And all of these items that I'm going to share with you guys is going to be for my family room, which is my den area. You know, some people call it den. I call it den, and sometimes I call it my family room. Either or. And this one here comes with a kind of a gold top, and it's a glass jar, and it is 16 ounces. No, it's 15 ounces. So this here's the candle. And okay, for your next items, you know you got to have some of those throw pillows to go on to your sofas. So I did pick up some pillows, and I picked up pillows from different stores. We were just rounding about looking for what I was looking for from different stores. So for these pillows here, you got two in a bundle, and I got these from a store called Dirt Cheap. I've never gone in there before, but God, my Lord, when you go in there, it looked like a bunch of trash. Don't get me wrong, not really. It's not organized. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not really just organized. And my husband was like, whoa. He didn't want to even go in there. And I'm like, I might find something. So let's just, you know, kind of scam through it and see what we can find. And I ran across these here pillows. And I paid, how much did I pay for these? It said $29.99 on these pillows. But I think I got maybe a 50% or either 60% off the pillows, and I think I only paid maybe I'm not quite sure what I paid for it. I thought I had the receipt in the bag, and I got them for a great buy. I probably would have everything listed below. I thought I had my tickets in the bag, but they must be in my purse. And these here are the 10 pillows here to go with my thing of what I want. So I got 2 pillows for that price. And for my next pillows, I got them from Big Lots. And I ran in to see what I can find there that I wanted. And this particular pillow here, which I wanted more like an accent pillow, I got this pillow here, just give it some little sands on fall. And it says fall is in the air. Leaves, apple cider, be thankful, candy corn, pumpkins, turkey, football, friends and family, and harvest blessings. And I like that pillow there. So yeah, I thought this was pretty nice, and it would go well on my sofa. So yeah guys, this is what this pillow looks like, and the price on this pillow was $12, which was a good price for it. And I love the feel of it. It just kind of got that I can't really recall that name of it, but it's a real nice feel pillow. And for the next pillow that I got from Big Lots, this here's another accent pillow. I love fall leaves, y'all. I am a big fan of seeing fall trees. Where I live is more like in the rural area, what they consider suburb or the country area. That's kind of where I live. And on my way home from work, I usually would go down this highway that I usually come home on and just watch all the trees transition into fall. Oh my God, it'd be so beautiful, y'all. It is amazing. If I get a chance to get just a snap picture, I would do so and just add it to my Instagram page so you guys can see. So this pillow here is another one that I have as far as one of my accent pillars with leaves, fall leaves on it. And I paid $12 for this one as well. And this one is also from Big Lots. And I picked up 2 pillows from Big Lots. And for my next 2 pillows, they're from Marshalls. I had to check out Marshalls, you guys. I had to check out Marshalls. I really wanted to see what they had, and they had tons of beautiful things there. When fall is almost out, I do want to go back and try to purchase some of their clearance items. And these here are the pillows that I got from Marshalls. And I love the detailing on the trim. Oh my God, I love that. And I love this color. It's not just, it's more like a burnt orange, not real orangey, but it is so pretty. And I love the texture on these pillows. They are very like linen woven, kind of like a linen feel. And like that one I shared with you guys, the cream with the fall sand, it's kind of, that's what I was trying to say. It kind of has that linen feel, and this is what these 2 pillows feel like. And you got this kind of khaki woven stitch around the rims of this pillow. And for these pillows, I paid $19.99 for these 2, which was a great buy. And they're pretty big, and I love these. And they would look good on my sectional. That's what we have in our family room, is a sectional, a leather sectional. So yeah guys, I thought these were some nice pillows here. And to top everything off on my sectional, you gotta have a Afghan or whatever you want to call it, throw blanket. I picked up this here pretty white one here. I don't know, I wanted white because I was using something else, Decor, that was white. I was going to either use cream beige, white, or either khaki, tan color. So this white one I seen, I went ahead and picked it up. So I will be picking up more colors, you know, the colors that I just mentioned. Later on, maybe I got to shop around a little bit more and find some more that's on a good buy. This one here I picked up at my local Dollar General store, and it is by Comfort Bay, and it's a beautiful soft throw. And my husband, he wraps up in the throws because he's always in the family. I'm usually in one of the bedrooms or probably in my beauty room doing something, so he's usually in the family room watching all his TV shows. I might be watching the game, you know, the football games are on now, so yeah, he always wraps up. So I got this one in the color white, and I paid $12 for it. 12 bucks, you guys, on a budget, affordable prices. So yeah, you always need some throws laid across your sofas. You really need that. When my kids come home, y'all, I mean, they always, probably all of them, covered up in a throw. because the house be cool, so they got their throws. So I got this one. And you always need some ceramic decors or whatever kind of decors that you want to use on your, like your sofa table, your coffee table, your entertainment center, whatever you want to place it. You always need something on there to kind of bring things out. And I picked up 2 pumpkins. They are the ceramic pumpkins. And this one here I have in white, and it says, "Hey Pumpkin." And these here were purchased from Marshall. I got 2 of these, but in different colors, and they were $5.99. It has the little gold leaf here, stem, I guess that's what you could call it. And I have it in white. And for the next one, I have it in this pretty, I guess you could call it aqua green kind of color. And I wanted this, it's just kind of to change it up just a little bit. You know, kind of add another kind of accent color. And I kind of wish I could have found maybe a gold pillar. But I looked and I hadn't found one. I might get online and see if I can find one. I look at Kirkland's, and because I love Kirkland. And it says Blessed. And you know, guys, I'm all about saying the word blessed. I love the word blessed because we are all blessed. Yes, we are. So this one here will be placed somewhere on either my entertainment center, coffee table, either or. So yeah, guys. And it was also $5.99. So these here was some affordable items to just say revamp. I mean, either just decorate your any part of your house for the fall, and mainly like either your living room or your family room, den area. This would be a great choice for it. Or either your bed, you can use these pillows for. Even if you're decorating your bedrooms for the fall. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like these items that I purchased. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're new here to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. Yes, until next time, you guys be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing to someone else. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.